Dear educators, research scholars, and students, just think a while. A field study where formalities of stiff academic study are dispensed away, where one adopts an informal yet adventurous approach, where in a dense jungle a participant feels very much at home. Just imagine a while. A vast campus that spreads far and wide to encompass a forest, farms, orchards, and villages. When it even extends into a neighboring country, where on a misty winter morning you gulp hot cooler tea, where you stroll in the woods and gossip about Bagh in sweet Awadhi, where around a smoky campfire we together sip a steaming cup of soup and listen to legends of jungle. Welcome, one and all, to National Environment Camp at Dudhwa Tiger Reserve in district Khiri, Uttar Pradesh. This reserve is located in the unique Tarai Arc landscape that spreads out on the southern edge of the Himalayas on the Indo-Nepal border. The organizer of this camp is Caravan Heritage and Nature Society. We at Caravan are devoted to environment education and conservation. Caravan has chalked out a thorough field study camp to enable research scholars, PG and UG students of environment sciences, life sciences, geology, geography, and social sciences to experience nature like a hardcore naturalist. In fact, the scope extends to just anyone with an eye for nature. At this field study camp, we strive to elucidate the ecology of Dudhwa and Tarai forest in totality. We shed light upon the geography, historical perspectives, habitats, flora and fauna, endangered species, forest management practices, conservation status and threats, forest village communities, anthropogenic pressures, and man-animal conflict. But above all, we aim to evolve an environment conservation model that can be practiced and implemented by each individual participant at his community level. Field Study Camp is an out-and-out action-packed program. Every day, soon after the briefing session, campers are outdoors for an extensive field work, nature walks, stimulating team games, jungle safari, boat cruises, and other adventurous activities. They are guided by different people from diverse fields whose vast experience of Dudhwa is inside out. These include local journalists, forest guides and watchers, villagers, farmers, and of course caravan members. This camp has 4 modules: Naturalist Eye for 1 week, Naturalist Vision for 2 weeks, Naturalist Insight for 3 weeks, and Naturalist Discovery for a month. The other special aspects of this camp is experimental study, free access to reference material, interaction with knowledgeable people, proper documentation, sessions on photography and filmmaking, as also building networks with other like-minded people. A multifaceted camp like this has been conceptualized perhaps for the first time in the world. Please join the Caravan team at Dudhwa at National Environment Camp for a lifetime experience that blends perfectly fun, adventure, and discovery.